Okay, to solve this quadratic equation by completing square, very obviously, the first step is we want to move the constant to the other side. Okay? Now, before we go on, let's do a background check on this exercise. For example, what if I ask you x plus 5x blank equals to, in bracket, x something whole squared, okay? Now, to do this, let's focus on the right hand side first, okay? How do you get this? Well, you just look at this number, positive 5, and divide it by 2. That is plus 5 divided by 2, okay? Now to get this number, okay, I take this answer on the right hand side and square it. Okay, so I will have plus 5 over 2 all squared. Okay, if this is positive, then this will go positive. If this is negative, then this will go negative. And since this whole part is all squared, this always gives you positive. Okay, so again, this follows this. Okay, and this is always positive. Okay, so now let us go back to our original problem here. Okay, that means in order to continue, I need to have this part to compensate on the left hand side. Okay, so I will have x plus 5x. Okay, now I will add this. Okay, equals to 14. Now if you add one thing on the left hand side, of course you need to do the same thing on the right hand side, right? So I will also add 5 over 2 all squared. Okay, because our objective is we want to make this into this form on the left hand side. Okay, so we will get x plus 5 over 2, the square goes outside, okay, equals to 14 plus 25 over 4. Okay, I'm just simply simplifying the right hand side. Okay, now this is our objective. So in order to this kind of problem, okay, after you get this form, okay, I want you to do this exercise on your own. Okay, maybe you want to go to this part first. Okay, so you start from the right hand side, you get the 5 over 2 by taking this, and then you square it to get this. Okay, and this goes into here and here. Alright, again, your objective, I want to get this part. I want to go from here to here, but in order to go from here to here, I need to add this part. Okay, I need it to go to the all squared. Alright, okay, so 14 is actually 56 plus this. Okay, so that will give me this equals to 81 over 4, right? Okay, let's continue. Okay, in order to take out this square, I want to take out the square here by putting a square root sign around the right hand side, and don't forget you need to add plus or minus sign. Okay, so this and the bracket becomes plus or minus square root of the other side. Alright, so that gives us plus or minus 9 over 2. Okay, so x equals to, I move this to the other side, negative 5 over 2 plus or minus this. Okay, taking the positive, that gives us 4 over 2, which is 2, and if we take the negative here, that will give us negative 14 divided by 2, that is negative 7. That is the answer.